And today I have the Milwaukee drill without a check, and it's not working, just a line blinks. So I will try to disassemble it and maybe I will be lucky to find what's wrong. Okay, the first thing what we can see that dirt is all around. It's a lot of dirt and dust. I want to see how it looks. Yep, the field is completely destroyed, so I think it will go to the bin, or maybe I will find some tool to take this out and use only the field, because the controller unit seems to be good, because it flashes, I try to spin. So we needed to find the donor for this one. Okay, and for this one I have the spare controller with the field and so on, so the old one must go out. Just getting everything out, and we have the screw here. I think I will clean the housing a little bit. Okay, I've made a small cleaning for the housing, not put it to the parts washer, just clean it with a brake cleaner. Now I want to get the screw to the housing back. And just check it, we have the gap for the wires, I think. We have all the controller with the LED and the field. And I want this wires to go in a gap here. Can go here, seems nice. I will put the armature inside it. Looks good. We have the gear rossi, just brush it with a brush from the dust, and we don't have the check for it. That's not a big problem for us, because we have a couple of the checks, spare checks left. Okay. The direction changer. And, okay, I think the spring or something must be here. Okay, seems that there is no spring here. Strange for me, because when that clicks on, of course we have the click and the hold. Okay, we will see how it works. Now I think we can close it. Looks like it. Okay, now we can test it. Okay, moving to the both sides. Changing the speed, so everything is good. Now we need to put the check for it. Only 2 minutes left on my memory card or the camera. got a check on. Fastly searching for the screw. Okay, got a screw in. Can hold it on a drill. Okay, so that means that we have fixed it and it's now good to use again. For now, thank you for watching, and we are running out of time. Bye.